Hi, I am Abhilash Parameswaran. First, let me thank the organizers of considering Shravanam, our short film. 9th Delhi Shorts International Film Festival 2020. Shravanam means hearing. It is the COVID-19 lockdown that motivated me to do this film. We know that throughout the world, a lot of people are going through this situation. Depressing news of suicides. We try to connect to each other through phone calls in such times. I understood that many people were not ready to listen, but they talk to you or advise you. I found that if someone listens to us patiently, half our problems are solved. We want to tell this through a short film. An artist with no brush and canvas, if he really wants to draw, even a piece of stone can be his medium. We used our mobile phones as our tool. We shot the film from our own homes without meeting each other. Many artists who worked in this were on quarantine during this time. Please watch and tell us your opinions. My greetings to all the participants of this festival. Thank you.
Hello all, myself KK Rajiv. Hope all are doing well. First of all, I like to thank Corona, as only because of Corona we were able to see many hidden talents, even though there were n number of demerit because of it. In that way, one of the merit is Shravanam. I am so grateful that I am part of it, and special thanks from Team Arts to Delhi Short International Film Festival. Thank you.
Best wishes to Delhi International Short Film Festival. Team Arts Chennai is a theatre which has taken up this opportunity during the lockdown period. Shravanam, which means listening, is the first short film produced completely in accordance with COVID protocol, and this is shot totally without any expenditure incurred. This will be an inspiration to short filmmakers who would want to shoot a film without any expense.
Hi, I'm Rahul. First of all, I would like to thank God, His grace, and for giving strength to complete this short film, Shravanam. Actually, it was my first work, so I would like to thank Abhilash brother, Anup sir, KP Latif, and other cast and crew who have contributed to the success of the short film. And I would like to express my gratitude to Abhilash brother for providing me the opportunity to carry out his guidance. I am grateful to him for the valuable insight and suggestions that they gave me throughout this short film. We had a big challenge that all faced together, because all the actors were shot this film from their own house without meeting each other by obeying all the COVID rules. Shravanam is a book full of values, lessons of life, and meaning of failure. At last, I wish it high on many accounts. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ashwin Jayaprakash. Shravanam, working with Abhilash Parameswaran was a wonderful experience. I was in Chennai, I came to Kerala, so next 14 days was my quarantine time. I was thinking what to do, let's watch a movie, eat, sleep, that's all. So it was really a boring time. That time, in between that time, I got a call from Team Arts. We discussed about the script Shravanam. Really, it was a very powerful and effective script. So you all know the recent times many things happening like this, that suicide, etc. So we planned to make this as a short film. So director Abhilash Parameswaran called me and told, come, let's shoot. I was thinking how to shoot. We don't have camera, lighting, many problems are there. He told, come, let's shoot through mobile phone. So it was a different experience. I was in Kerala and another artist was in Chennai and director was in Chennai. We are all are in different places. So we started shoot this Shravanam, and this working experience was wonderful. I did many short film before, but this was one of my favorite. I am very looking forward to work with this team again. So happy to be a part of this short film Shravanam.
Hi, I am Anil Mala. I am very happy to say that our short film Shravanam is selected for the 9th Delhi Shorts International Festival. We made this film from our own homes by following COVID guidelines. I am glad to have participated in the making of this film. Thank you all.